Hey, what are you doing?
We are just working on our project.
Oh, what's that?
It is smart helmet for miners. It is mainly a device that detects the harmful gases which are present in the mines, and by this, the life of miner can be saved.
While working on our project, we faced various problems, such as not getting a sunset. We were tense, but still we overcame with that problem with the help of our mentor.